Yes, good afternoon. My name is Arshia Nishad. I'm from Nalgonda, Telangana. I have completed my mathematics, MSc Mathematics from Osmania University with 72%, and I have secured distinction. And I have completed B.Ed also, which is an added advantage to my teaching. I have 7 years of teaching experience from Little Flower CBSE Innovative School, which is one of the reputed school in Nalgonda, where I have dealt with the subjects mathematics from 1st to 9th class, and all deal with syllabus CBSE, SSC, and students have secured good marks, and students enjoy learning with me. What makes me different from the other teachers is that I will use the simple, easy, and the clear concept so that the students understand. Motive is to remove the fear of maths from the students' mind. So what I will do, I will make them enjoy the class. How? Because they will enjoy the class, but means they will understand everything clearly. I'll make them understand clearly so that they will think that yes, maths is an easy subject. Okay, let us start the demo class. So as you can see here in the demo class, the question is given, figure is given. First of all, we have to understand the figure. Okay, what is given in the question and what is the figure. Okay, so in the given figure, line AB. So what is our line AB here? See, this is our line AB. Okay, this is our line AB. Okay, and this is line CD, and this is line EF. Okay, the three lines are given to us. So what they are telling, these three lines are intersecting at point O, isn't it? They are intersecting. All these three lines, they are intersecting at O or not? Yes, they are intersecting at O. So what we have to do after that, we have to find the values of X, Y, and Z. How we can do that? By knowing the angles. Okay. So see here, first of all, we have to learn how to name an angle. How to name an angle means what? Angle is formed between two arms. These are called two arms. Okay, let us name it A and B. Okay, they are intersecting at a point O. And where is my angle forming? Angle is forming here. Okay, angle is forming at O. But how to name an angle? I'm telling angle is forming at O. But what is the angle name? How to denote an angle? We are denoting an angle by this small angle symbol. And what we have to write? Can we write ABO? No, we cannot write ABO. Why? Because we have to write angle in between. Okay, angle letter we have to write in between. How we can write AOB? So this is the way to name an angle. Angle AOB. Okay. So in that way, similarly, as you can see here, this is angle BOD. Okay. What can I tell about BOD and AOC angle? They are facing each other. When the angles are facing each other, it means they are sitting vertically opposite to each other. Vertically opposite to each other means what? Vertically opposite means what? Means whenever the angles are facing each other, when they are opposite to each other, they are equal. That's why here this is X means this will also be X. Why I'm telling that? If this is X and this is also X, why? Because they are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So let us write what we have understood. We understood that angle BOD is nothing but X. It is given to us. Okay. But what is the relation between angle AOC? See here. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Why I'm telling that? Now only we discussed it is they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. They are vertically opposite angles. So that's why they are equal. And vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so what can I write now? Angle AOC is nothing but what? BOD is what actually? It is X. So that's why what did I write here? Here I wrote this is also X. This angle is also X. Okay, so now if you observe this angle Z, X and Y, they are lying on a straight line, this line. How they are lying? See like this. They are lying on this straight line. We know that straight line is nothing but what? 180 degrees. Straight line is nothing but 180 degrees. So what is the relation when the angles are forming on a straight line? What we can say about that? When the angles are forming on a straight line, it means that sum of these three angles, this angle Y, angle X, and angle Z is nothing but 180 degrees. So what relation we can find there? Sum of angles on a straight line is equal to what? It is nothing but 180 degrees. So what are the angles on the straight line here? What I can see, X, Y, and Z. So can we write here angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degrees? Yes, we can write. Why? Because they are forming on a straight line. Okay. So let us keep it as equation 1. Now what is the relation between X, Y, and Z given in the question? See here, it is given X is to Y is to Z is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Let us write that X is to Y is to Z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. So if I write like this, can you be able to tell the value of X? No, we cannot know. We know only the ratio. How to find the value means we will substitute with any variable. How we are substituting? X is equal to any variable you can take. Let us take T. Angle X is equal to 2T. Y is equal to what? 3T. Similarly, Z is what? In Z place 5 is there. So what we can write? Z is equal to 5T. Okay. So now let us substitute in our equation 1. What we will do? Substitute values of X, Y, and Z in equation 1. Okay. It is equation 1. Okay. So what is my equation? Nothing but X plus Y plus Z. In X plus what I can write? 2T. In Y plus what I can write? 3T. In Z plus what can I write? 5T. Those all sum is what? 180 degrees. Why? Because they are lying on a straight line. Now, can you see this? This is also T, this is also T, this is also T. Means all are like terms. There are three terms only. The all are three terms means it belongs to T only. Means they are like terms. So like terms we can add. What is the operation in between? Addition. So we can add. What is the addition now? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is what? 10. So 10T is equal to 180. Now 10 and T is under multiplication. 10T is nothing but what? 10T is nothing but 10 into T only. No, 10T is nothing but 10 into T. So it is under multiplication. I want only T here, this side. When any number goes that side, it observes a reverse operation. So it is under multiplication. When multiplication goes that side, it becomes, when multiplication goes that side, it becomes division. Addition goes that side, it becomes subtraction. Similarly, here multiplication is there. When multiplication goes that side, what will happen? It becomes division. So it is nothing but 180 by 10. So this 0 gets cancelled. What am I left with? I'm left with 18. Means what? T is nothing but 18. When I know T value, can I substitute T value in my X? Yes, definitely we can do this. See 2T. 2T means what is this? Under multiplication, right? So into T. What is my T actually? 18. So 18 2 is what? We have to multiply and check. If you know 18 table, you can directly write. Otherwise, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3. You know multiplication very well. See, like this, you can multiply and write it here. So finally, what we got, it implies X is equal to 36, isn't it? X value we got. Now, what are we left with? We have to find Y and Z values. So 3 into T is what? 18. So 18 3s are we have to do. 18 3s are is what? 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. So it is 54. Okay. So what is my Y value? Y is nothing but 54. Okay. Next, we have to find similarly Z value 5 into 18. Can you do it? Yes. Do along with me. 5 into 18 is what? Again, you have to multiply. That's it. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. After 5, add 4. It will be 90. So what is my Z value? Z is nothing but 90. Okay. So what is the question asked? Find the values of X, Y, and Z, isn't it? Find the values of X, Y, and Z. Did we find? Yes. Isn't it so easy? So what are the values of my x, y, and z? T I got 18, x is equal to 36, y is equal to 54. Finally, you have to write like this. What are the values you have found? Okay. So can you see this figure in the next one? Yes. So see here, what can you understand by this figure? So I can see here, this is the line AC, and this is the ray B. So what is happening? The ray is bisecting this line AC, the line AC like this. So here what is this forming? Again, what we have understood before only, the angle forming on a straight line. Angles forming on a straight line is nothing but 180 degrees. In the same way, can we able to do this? Yes. Why? Because these two angles are on a straight line. So what we can do? We know it very well. 3x plus 18 degrees plus what is this other angle name? Other angle is nothing but 93 degrees. We will add it is equal to 180. Why we are saying this? Why? Because they are angles on a straight line. So angles on a straight line, what we can say about that? Sum of angles. Sum of angles on straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. This is the reason why we have added this all. Okay. So what we can tell about that now? We can add. See here, 3x we cannot do it. This is a variable term. What are the like terms here? This 18 and 93 are like terms. Like terms we can add. So now add this like terms, 93 plus 18. 18 after add 3, 8 after add 3. So it is 11. 9 after 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. So 111 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now only I explained you, addition goes that side, it becomes subtraction. We want x. So 3x will be remaining here. I will send table 1 that side. It becomes minus, under minus operation. Why? Because addition goes that side, it becomes subtraction. Now quickly subtract it and tell me. Yes, 180 minus triple one. How can you do? 0 minus 1 can you do? No, we have to take the help of 8. It will give 1. This will become 10 and this will become 7. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6. So I'm left with what? 3x is equal to 69. Okay, now I want only my x. X is under multiplication with 3. So as I said you before, multiplication goes that side, it becomes division. So this is division. So 69 by 3. Now cancel it in 3 table. What we will get? 3 table, 6 will go 2 times. 9 will go 3 times. So what am I left with? My x is what? X is equal to 23 degrees. Isn't it? X is equal to 23 degrees. So they asked what? Find the value of x. We have done it, right? X is equal to 23. Okay. Similarly, can we do this problem again? See what is happening here. Now you can see here, see all the angles. See, this is one angle, this is one angle, and rest of the angle they gave us. Means what is happening there? Nothing but it is forming a complete angle. And what we know about complete angle? Complete angle is nothing but 360 degrees. Complete angle is nothing but 360 degrees. Okay. So complete angle is 360 means what is the given angles? Now only we have learned about straight line. Sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Similarly, here also can I write sum of all angles is equal to 360 degrees? Yes, we can do. In the same way, you have to do this problem also. Okay. Let us do this problem. Okay. See here, how we can do complete angle is 360 degrees. So what are the given angles? Quickly write down the given angles. One I can see here is 296 degrees. Other what I can see here, one this side. See, I will show you. One angle is this side, 296. Other angle is what? 29. And other angle is this one. Okay, quickly add it. What we can write here, see, 29 degrees plus what is the left out? X minus 24. X minus 24. This all sum is what? 360 degrees. Why? Because sum of all angles is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. That's why we have substituted it to 360 degrees. Okay. Now quickly add what are the like terms we can see here. 296, 29 and 24. But 24 is in under subtraction. So what are the terms we can add? 296 and 29. So let quickly add it 296 plus 29. Okay. 9 after add 6. What we will get? 15. 9 after add 1, 10, 12. So we got 325. So this answer is 325. I'm left with again x minus 24. Okay. So again, what are the like terms? This 325 and 24. They are under subtraction. So I have to subtract it. Okay. 325 minus 24. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. I'm left with 301. So I'm left with x plus 301. Okay, why I'm writing plus 301, why I'm not writing minus 301, you will get it out. Why? Because big number is having plus sign. So that's why I'm writing 301 is equal to 360 degrees. I want only x. Now only we said whenever the plus goes that side, it becomes minus. So it will be 360 minus 301. So that's it. 360 minus 301. Quickly do that. 360 minus 301. Subtract it and tell me the answer. So 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So it is 10 minus 1, it is 9. This has helped it. So it will become 5. So we are left with 59. So what is my value of x? It is nothing but 59 degrees. X is nothing but 59. Okay, did you understand this? How we have done? We are using the concepts. What concepts we are using? The angles on a straight line. The three concepts. In the first one we have used vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles. What is the relation? Vertically opposite angles are equal. After that, what we have used? Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line angle, we know it 180 degrees. So that's why angle sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. That concept we have used in these two problems. Okay, like that only what we have used here, sum of all angles on a complete angle is 360 degrees. So that's what we did. We have added what are the given angles, we have added it together. So all the angles plus x is equal to 360 degrees we did. Okay, then we have added it. Okay, similarly what you can observe, see this figure. Now we have done so many problems. What you can observe in this figure? Can you see? What you can observe? You tell me. This is my angle. And what is this angle? You can see this. This means what? L shape means what? Means here it is forming 90 degrees. Here it is forming 90 degrees. Okay. Means what they are doing? See again they are forming a straight line. All these angles are on a straight line or not? Now, will you be able to do this problem? Yes. How we can do this problem? Now you tell me. We did two problems. You know how we can do? Simply adding all the given angles. Why we are adding? Why? Because sum of all, we know it very well now. Sum of all angles, we know this. Angles on a straight line. Sum of all angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. We know this. Okay, now what are the angles given? One angle is 40, one angle 6 plus 2, 6x plus 2, other angle is 90. Quickly add it. 40 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 180. Now only we did how to do this problem, isn't it? Well, we have to just gather the like terms and add it. 90 plus 40 is how much? 90 plus 40 is what? 130. Very good. Next, 130 plus 6x plus 2. Still, what I can do in this? Can I add this 130 plus 2? Because they are like terms, isn't it? 6x plus 132 is equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? So, 6s, I want x only. So, first of all, I will just send this 132 that side. Addition goes that side, it becomes subtraction. We know very well how to do this problem. Simply 180 minus 32, 132 you have to do. Okay. This will be 10. This will be 7. 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 48, isn't it? 6x is equal to 48. Now what will be my x? I want only x. X is under multiplication with 6. It goes that side. It becomes division. We know it. Okay. So 48 by 6 means what? In 6 table, when 48 will go? 6 8s are. So what is my value of x? X is nothing but 8 degrees. They said what? To find the value of x. So in this way, we have understood how to find the unknown value. How to find the unknown value? We have to just check what is the relation between the angles. We have to check what are the relation between the angles. The angles are given, angles are forming a straight line, or they are forming a complete angle, or they have any other relation, vertically opposite angles. Like that we have to understand. Okay. So this D problem is a homework. How you can do this problem? Just understand the problem, then you can do how to do this problem. Okay. So as you can see, now only we have learned this concept. This 62 and 2 plus 3x, what they are doing? They are facing each other or not? When the angles are facing each other means what? Isn't it they are vertically opposite? Yes. What I explained you now only, vertically opposite angles. What happens to the vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. When vertically opposite angles are equal means what I can tell? 2 plus 3x is equal to 62. Can I tell or not? Yes, we can say. Why? Because both are vertically opposite angles. Now in this way, similarly how we did all the problems, here also you find the value of x. So this is your homework. Okay. You have to complete this homework. How we have understood all the problems, like that only you have to find the unknown value x. Okay. That's it for today's class. Okay.